Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. And in this video, man, it's been a long time coming, but here we are. I'm back at it again. So I know I've been MIA for a couple of months now. Long story. We have some work to do, and I don't like this that I'm gonna have to do this, but gotta do what I gotta do, right? So let's go ahead and show you what's going on. So today we are assessing to see what repairs are gonna have to happen on this car. As you know, I have this Honda Accord here, and I was involved in the car accident, basically. Not a good time. The plan for today is to assess the damage it has, which means take off whatever parts I see that are damaged. Hopefully it's not too much damage, because I need this car. It's been sitting for a few months now, and I've been on the sidelines for a few months, so I'll put two and two together, and it's, hey. But you know, life happens, and like I said, I hate seeing the car like this. I hate that I can't, I haven't been able to drive it. I hate everything about this whole, this is not a good situation to be in at all. Don't recommend it, but I need the car. So let's get it up in the air, pop the hood on it, and pretty much see where that takes us. Yeah, so the damage was pretty much like right there, which flattened this out, cracked that and that, and hopefully, man, I'm crossing my fingers that is the extent of the damage. So we're gonna go ahead and take all the broken pieces out and really take a look at what the damage is. Hopefully it's not too much, but yeah, let's get to it. All right, so first order of the business, I was trying to take off the fender, but then I realized that I need to take off the bumper first. So there's a bolt here, and on the other end is a whale, which is on that other end. Then there was a clip here, one of these really, but it was missing it on this side, so, but they did have it here. And there was this bolt here for the headlight, which will be taken off since, well, it's broken. But I think there's only a few more bolts from underneath, from like the splash shield or whatever it's called on the bottom, that connects to the bumper here. All right, so the bumper should kind of just like, hey, there we go, fall off. Bam. And it definitely cracked in that corner there. We definitely have better access for the to take off the fender here, but I am starting to see more damage here. It sucks. It's definitely been here. Oh man, I'm gonna go ahead and take off this fender and headlight. Okay, now that I took off the inner fender well plastic thing, those are freaking rusty. Oh man. But now I think I need to take off the side skirt here in order to access these last bolts for the fender. A little bit more of a hassle than I expected, but let's keep pushing. Let's take this piece off, at least loosen it from the front so we can access those remaining bolts here. So this one is a pain, because this whole thing is held on by some clips. Look at this thing here. Maybe you guys can see those square things over there. Focus on it somehow. Those things back there, they're squared, so I had to really pull this down in hopes that that plastic didn't break, but you didn't, and now it's loose, thank God. I think that's all that's holding this fender on to here. Maybe it's stuck on that headlight there, but let's take this off. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little nervous. All right, so like this looks like this metal piece underneath the headlight here is also attached to the fender, and there was another bolt over here that I had to open a door for, but I'm assuming that this is not loose. Okay, should take this out here. This is probably bent. All right, so yeah, so the headlights are pretty smashed. This turn signal here, bulb is still in there, but the connector broke. You see the connector here, and the connector's inside the other connector. And that should be hopefully working. And let's take off the fender finally. Alrighty, so this is it here. I'm surprised it didn't damage any of this part. Might be a previous. Oh, I hope it's previous. I think that might be a previous job here. It's definitely bent here. So that's something that's bent. That's another thing that's bent. But the general structure of it seems to be pretty good. The suspension, I might not be experienced enough to know if there is any damage or not, but everything seems to be straight-ish, maybe. It's old, but leaky. But it seems to be pretty good, I think. Okay, so the good thing is we kind of know what we need. Hopefully that's all we need. I definitely am gonna try to pick up the fender and the bumper from the junkyard. Hopefully there's a white one in good condition. If not, something that's, you know, in semi-good condition, not broken, not dented to hell. I can try to rattle can it at the very least, get it somewhat white as this type of white. But unfortunately we're gonna have to wait for tomorrow. So yeah, that kind of sucks there. But anyway, I'm probably rambling on. So we're gonna pack up for today since there's no parts, and continue on tomorrow. So I'll see you once I hit the junkyard, see what we can find. It's a few days later. So I went to the junkyard. Junkyard prices are a lot more expensive than I remember them being previously, last time I went, which it's been a couple of years now, but they seem to be almost like new prices for some of the things. So just decided to go ahead and just buy new parts for this. So I went ahead and ordered them, and they should be here in a few days. So unfortunately, we have to pause it, waiting for parts. It's always a drag to wait for parts, but can't do nothing about that. With that being said, like, comment, and subscribe, and well, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.